All right, guys, we're round 2. We have our 3-point Ultra Racing chassis bar for the EK installed. It also fits the EG, and it'll fit the Integra DC2. All those 3 combinations fit. We actually did a change on it right between Jared's foot. This is what we changed. We're not going to guess what brand this is or something like that. That's what it had. It's too lightweight. It looks pretty, but it doesn't do what it's supposed to do.
Probably bend it over my knee.
Now, probably. The problem with these bars is a lot of you guys have asked me that these things do not fit. They do fit, guys. What you got to do is, unfortunately, you got to drop the suspension down an inch. Jared has a lot of experience on this stuff. He actually builds his own car out in the garage. And Jared, just tell me, why do you think that this is a better design than what you had?
So, the way the suspension comes up, the coilovers and the bolts come through, is they're sitting at an angle pointing inwards. So if you have a bar with holes drilled out in it where you can just set it right down over the top of it, it is bracing it somewhat when the nuts get tightened down and everything, but if you see when we drop this down, this only fits when you get the bolts out of the way. They're all the way in the back of this slot, all the way in the back of this slot, so if the car's wanting to shift one way, it's going to pull against the bar there, it's going to push against the bar there, and everything's going to be much tighter and braced much better by the fact that it actually only fits when it's sitting all the way down on the sheet metal of the car.
Everything lines up, bolts line up, everything's pretty good now. So, you guys, we're going to get more specs from you guys as we test this vehicle down at Buttonwillow. June 30th.
Yep.
So, you guys look for the Ultra Racing tent. Jared, he'll be there. Check his car out. He has a lot of goodies on this thing. He's going to be running out there testing a lot of stuff for us. More to come. He is going to be one of our first recipients to actually test the X brace, the brace that we want to bring into the U.S. We're hopefully to get that in sometime this month. We're almost there, guys. All right, we'll come back to you guys in a little bit. Thanks.